Hi friends, and this video is how to create a Pong game. So let's get started. So first we're going to choose a backdrop. So click the backdrop and you can choose any backdrop that you like to make a Pong game. And I'm going to choose this backdrop, and you can choose any backdrop. It can make a Pong game, and press OK. So this is the backdrop, and let's delete the normal sprite. Then we're gonna choose a ball sprite, so we can play a Pong game because Pong need a ball. So we're going to click Sprite Library and we're going to go to Spots. So these are all the spot things, and we're only going to choose ball. Not all of it, just ball. You can choose all of these balls, not these. So, and I think I'm gonna choose this orange ball, and you can choose any ball that you like. And press OK. And we're gonna shrink that a little bit because I think it's too big. More big. More small. Okay, a little bit. I think this size is okay. And we're gonna put the ball middle of it. You can put the ball middle of your backdrop, and this is my middle. And then we're gonna go to motion and make sure it is ball, not backdrop. Make sure it is ball sprite. And we're gonna get move 10 steps block. And then we're gonna also get if on edge bounce block and put them together. And we're gonna go to control and we're gonna get forever loops and put them inside. So make sure it is inside so it can be forever to do this. And next is we need to choose another sprite, but it needs to be a pedal. So we're gonna go to Sprite Library, and we're gonna go to Spots category again. And if you see this is pedal, you can choose. You can't choose anything of these. You just can choose this pedal because it can be a Pong game. So it can be like a real Pong game. And if it's short is a pedal, press OK. And about size, maybe a little shrink. I think the size want a little shrink. It's too big for me. I don't know for you. I think the size is okay. And we're gonna put the pedal sprite under the ball, like very under the ball. And then we're gonna go to events and make sure it is pedal because before we click the ball and do some blocks together, so make sure it's pedal so sometimes we can round. So next we're gonna go to one green flag click. So if green flag clicked, we can start this game. And we're going to go to control and get another forever loops. And make sure it is not inside the one green flag click because it just one green flag click mean one this green flag click, not all the block. This is not the important things. But you need to put it. Then we're gonna go to motion and go to mouse pointer and make sure it's mouse pointer, because if you put this, you can see random position and ball. But how we're gonna be do is we're gonna be moving the pedal to touch the ball. The ball gonna be go everywhere, and we need to catch the ball, not touch any of this. If you touch it, it can be out. So let's see how it works when we finish. Then we're gonna go back to ball sprite and make sure it's ball sprite, not pedal, because before we click the pedal, so make sure it is ball sprite. It was very important thing. If you run, your game not gonna be worked. And go to events and get another one green flag collect block, but in ball, not pedal. And make sure not mix together, and I don't think so it can fit, but we're gonna do 2 groups. And then we're gonna go to control back, and we're gonna get forever loops back. And I already set not mix, because this is not the block. We need to be important. And then we're gonna go to control. Oh, we already control, so we don't need to move anything. And we're gonna get if then block. And I think we before don't use if then block. So how if then block is used is if something happened, then something happened. So let's see what is happened. Then go to sensing and get touching mouse pointer and put inside these little blocks, little shapes. I'm gonna put and make sure it's not in if, because it is something happened when this touching mouse pointer. And it's not gonna be mouse pointer. Mouse pointer, no. We need that to be pedal. And make sure it is pedal, not mouse pointer or not age. So make sure it is pedal. And then we need to do something happen. So we're gonna go to motion back and get turn 15 degrees and put in if then block. And it means 15 degrees, and I don't think so it can be good. So we're gonna change that to 180 degrees. And you can run with these. This means back and this means turn. So make sure it is top one so it can be turned. And make sure it is 180 degrees. Then go to control again and wait 1 second block. And put in forever not in if then block, because we already have something happen. So make sure it is in forever. And make sure it is 1 second, because we're not gonna be waiting for a lot of seconds, because the game can be so long. So it's not gonna be, I can wait 3 seconds. And then we're gonna choose a sound. I already set in introduction video, and if you haven't checked out the video, go and check out the video. So how to put sound is, if you see, we got 3 important things, and this is scratch, costume, and sound. Right now we're in scratch, and we're gonna put sound. And we before don't pick sound. So let's see how it works. We're gonna go to sound category, and you will see pop sound. And if you know, pop sound is like just for pop. And I don't like pop sound, so we can change that sound. We're gonna go to like this little sound, picture and press it, and you will see all of these, and these are all the category. And we're gonna press effects, and effects mean like something effects. Effects is very important thing to make the people very think this is a very good game. And we've got all these effects, but we're just gonna choose water drop, and let's see how it sounded. So see, it is like the water drop sound. One is rain, and you can choose any sound that you like in all these category, and make sure it is short. So one, it is push the pedal, the ball. It can be need to be short. If it's long, it can be take all over. So not good. So make sure it is short, and make sure you listen it. So this is short sound, and press it one time, and you can choose any sound that you like. No, but it only needs to be short. And if you're sure if it's short, and if you're sure you like that sound, press OK. So this is the sound, and we're just gonna delete pop sound because we don't like it. And we're gonna go to scraps back. So right now we're gonna go to events and get one green flag clicked block again, and not fit them together, and I don't think so it can fit together. And go to control back and get forever loops, and don't mix them together, and I don't think so you can mix. And also get another if then block and put in forever loops, and go to sensing back and get touching mouse pointer. Touching mouse pointer, then something happened. So we're gonna change that to not mouse pointer, not H. We're gonna change that to pedal, and make sure it is pedal. Then we're gonna go to sound. Here it is. And if you see, we choose water drop sound, and this is the sound. So we're gonna get water drop, and make sure it is not until done, because if you get until done, it can be do for forever, so it can be not gonna be good. So because we just want to do when the ball bounce the pedal. So let's see, and put play sound water drop, and put something happen in here, and then go to motion back and get turn and get turn 15 degrees. And we're gonna get turn 15 degrees, and it's just like the top one, and make sure it's not turn back, just turn, because if you choose it's gonna be back, it's gonna be round. So anyways, we're gonna go to control back and get wait 1 second again. And if you know, it is like the top one. And if you know, it is like the top one, but the difference is, the difference is, we in turn 180 degrees to play sound water drop, and this is how it's different, but it is like the same. And we're gonna go to control fast and get wait 1 second, and it means you need to wait another 1 second, and make sure it is not long like 10 seconds, because if it is very long, I can wait it, and I think most of the people can't be waited because it was super long. Then we're gonna go to costume, which is new. I told in introduction, but we never try it. So let's see how we can try it. So first we're gonna go to line, and like this little ruler, not ruler, it's a line. And if you don't sure it is, you're gonna put this little line, and it can be say L-I-N-E line, and press it one time. And you can use any color that you like, but we're making a game, and we're making a game over right now. We're making game over. So give me game over. So I think I'm gonna use this red. Maybe this red. I think this red is more better. So you can choose any color that you like, but we're gonna make it game over. So it needs to be red, I think. And then we're gonna draw it. Let's draw it. And we're gonna make it a little more bigger because it's kind of small. And we're gonna click the backdrop first because we can draw in here, and make sure it's not bold, because if you draw in bold backdrop you can't. So let's see how it's working now. Ooh, the red line. Okay, the red line. And the problem was it's gonna be for forever. The red line gonna be stays, so it's gonna be not gonna be set because we just want to come the red line if the game over. So let's see how it works. We're gonna go to scraps back, and we're gonna go to bold. Make sure it's bold because if we're fast in backdrop and we can put things in backdrop, but make sure it is bold so we can make this game not round. First we're gonna go to events and get another it's just control. We're gonna go to events around, and we're gonna get one green flag clay. I don't think so. I have some space in this. If you have space you can do it, but I don't have any space, so I'm gonna do it in here. There's no problem. So then go back to control and get another forever loops. And we're also going to be getting another if then block, and it was super easy to do. And go to something back and get touching mouse pointer and put in this little shape. And make sure it's not mouse pointer. Not mouse pointer, the round one. So we're gonna click it back. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh. So we're gonna put touching mouse pointer back because it's round one. It's the same, and make sure it's not like me. So not mouse pointer. It needs to be touching color. So we're gonna do touching color and put in here, and we're gonna change that to red. Okay, finally I got red color, and make sure it is your color, because if it's wrong color, the game can be not working because we don't have any color. Because we don't have any color that you choose. So make sure it is your color that you choose. And we're gonna go to control back and get stop all and put its something happened blocked. And make sure it is all because it can be this scribe or other scribes in Sprite. So make sure it is stop all because we want to stop the game, which is mean the game is over. So let's see how it's work. So we're gonna make it more bigger. So let's play right now. So let's. Oh, I lose everything. So let's play. Oh, so how we need to play this game is we're just gonna play and we're just gonna we're just gonna switch we're just gonna move the green pedal or any color pedal with the mouse pointer how it's set, and the ball is like bouncing right now, and we need to bounce. If it is not on the if it is not on it, and we definitely need to be touch the ball, so it can be not gonna be loose. So it's in test if it is work. So we're gonna play in the game, and if the ball touched the puddle, it makes sound. If it didn't touch the pedal and it touched this red line, it didn't make any sound. You can't touch under it. It's just like touching the red. You need to touch on top of it. And if it touched the red, it didn't make any sound because it moves. So this is how the game works. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up and hit the notification bell. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye!